Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful tea light holder or lamp holder using some Foamiran flowers. Yes, these are all handmade Foamiran roses, and this background which is made using some glitter foam sheets. Isn't it looking very attractive? And it's very easy to create. So let's start with the procedure. For this we need glue gun, some golden ball chains, liquid glue, some wired pollens, half cut pearls, scissor, some stones to decorate, one big size flower punch, some glitter foam sheets, some Foamiran foam sheets. These are 0.8 mm foam sheets and mount board or cardboard. Now I am taking one piece of mount board and one piece of cardboard. The diameter is 12 centimeter, and I will connect both the piece with each other. If you don't have mount board, you can also use two pieces of cardboard. Like this. Now I am taking little bigger size paper of purple color than this, and I am adding this paper around this. So complete this process. It is done. Now I am adding one more purple paper circle on top of this, which is having 12 centimeter diameter. Now I am taking one more piece of mount board which is having 8 centimeter diameter, and I am adding one pattern paper circle on top of this. Now I will connect this decorative circle disc on top of our base in one corner, like this. Now I am decorating the edge of this disc using some half cut pearl. So this is done. Now I am decorating this inner circle using some golden ball chain and some more half cut pearls. So this is done. Now I will show you how to create this beautiful Foamiran rose. For this we need white, dark blue and light blue color Foamiran. So I have already created some petals using this. I will show you how to create this. I have created one balloon shape template. So I am just tracing it on white color foam sheet. Now cut this shape using your scissor. If you have balloon punch, you can directly use this. So this is done. And to create sepal, I have used this flower punch. If you don't have flower punch, you can also cut this shape using scissor. Now I am taking wired pollen. Just fold this in half and twist this wire. Now I am adding little hot glue using my glue gun and adding dark blue, then light blue and then white petals one by one to construct the flower shape. You can add or decrease the number of petals according to your style or your requirement. So rose is ready. Now I'm just inserting the sepal through this. I have created one hole in the center part of the sepal. So the cute flower is ready. In the same way, I have created some more roses. Now I will show you how to create leaf. For this I am taking one piece of green color Foamiran and just creating one leaf shape like this. I am creating one more. Just fold this rectangle in half and cut a leaf shape. Now take a wired pollen, add glue and just connect the leaf shape with this and pinch from the bottom. So leaf is ready. I will do it one more time. Like this. Now I will cut the excess wire from the rose so that we can connect these rows on the base. So just add glue and start adding all the roses and leaves according to your decoration style. In the same way, I will fill whole gap. So So after adding all the flowers and leaves, it will look like this. Isn't it looking very beautiful? Now I will decorate the other side of the circle. So I have created this pattern on mount board. If you want this pattern, I have given the template in description box. You can download from there. Now I will decorate this pattern using some glitter foam sheets and some ball chains and stones, and of course some pearls. I have added blue acrylic color on backside of this pattern. So the decoration is done. So I have removed the half cut pearls from this side so that we can easily connect it. Now just add little glue on this side and connect your decorative glitter foam pattern with this. Hold it for some time. So it's completely dry. Isn't it looking very vibrant? Now I will put the diya in the center part of this. You can also use Tealight. So the beautiful Foamiran Tealight holder is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.